Yeah, hi everyone. So in this video, let's look at what is a microservice. Uh, so before we try and understand what's microservice, let's take a dive and see what's monolithic server. Yeah. So why we gonna see what's monolithic server is because this is the reason why microservice still exists. Microservice exists, or it has emerged. There were problems in monolithic server, monolithic applications, because of which we had to come to a better solution. Hence, microservice was derived uh, by finding the problems in monolithic server. To solve the problems in monolithic server, we found microservices. So let's try and understand quickly what is monolithic server. So a monolithic server is any application which has a middleware, a router, and all the different features that it offers, the application offers, and a database, and one database that serves all different features of a monolithic application. So this is basically how a, the component, the architecture of a monolithic application looks like. All right, wherein you would see any request coming in to that server comes from middleware to the router and takes to, if it's a feature B, the router routes it to the appropriate feature, and then the database takes the request, response back, and it flows back to the client, right? So this is typically how monolithic works. Now, what a monolith contains, it contains uh, routing, middlewares, business logic, database access to implement all features of our app, right? So everything it contains, like routing, middlewares, business logic, database, to implement all the features of our application. So be careful here. Now, I mean, just focus on here. I'm just gonna change one word, and we will come to know what is microservice. That would be the definition for a microservice. So yeah, this is what it is. Can anybody spot the difference? What is that one word that I changed? Yes, you're right. That's this one. So look at it this way. A single microservice contains routing, middlewares, business logic, database access to implement one feature of our app. Therefore, monolith, it is all features of our app. However, for microservice, it is to implement one feature of our app. So all these components come together to implement just one feature. All right? Unlike monolith, where they come together to implement all the features of our app. Right? So holistically, it looks like this. So each service A, service B, service C, service D, each service gets its own database, gets independent routing service, independent middleware service. So all are independent, right? So that's what it is. So this is the holistic view that I'm showing you right now, how a microservice architecture looks like. Mhm. I'll dive into more depth uh, in the upcoming videos for you to try and understand what are different problems in implementing microservices and how do we tackle them. There's just one major problem that you might uh, understand right now. That's about data management. That's about 90% of the problem um, normally people face while implementing microservices. So I'll dive deep. You be with me, continue with me. I'll help you understand how do we deal with that problem, right? Uh, as of now, this is it. This is about microservice. I'll get more videos for you guys to show you how we implement that, how we design microservices, what are all things required. Yeah, that's in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.